The block replace command comes in handy when you have several blocks all over the drawing that you want to replace simultaneously. Say I wanted to replace this block with this one. So I just brought this one in, I just inserted it into my drawing, and I type in the command block replace. You can pick from the blocks that are in your drawing already, or what I like to do is just click the pick button. And this is asking me which one is to be replaced, so I just click pick, and I want to replace this one. Then it wants to know to replace with what, so I do the same thing. And if you notice now, I have an option to purge when finished. And it defaults to yes, which is fine. And it replaces all of them. And if you notice, it does not change the size, the scale. This one was scaled 5 times. This one was scaled at 1. So we'll leave them how they are. It just replaces it with the block that you choose.